Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my brows using a pomade and a pencil. So keep on watching. First off, I'm going to brush my eyebrow hairs up para alam ko kung saan ko ilalagay yung line ko for shaping my brows. For my left eyebrow, gagamitin ko is Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. First off, I'm going to draw a line below my eyebrows, starting from the middle to the end tail of my brows. I'm also doing the same thing what I did on the bottom part of my brows. What's left on my brush, I'm going to use a feathery light strokes in the inner parts of my brows for that gradient effect look. Adding a bit more of that product, I'm going to fill in my brows. Hair-like strokes in the inner part of the brows. Taking a spoolie, I'm going to use this to blend the products, especially on the inner and middle part of my brows, where I push the products from the middle part to the inner part of the brows for that gradient effect look. No harsh line, no box eyebrows.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind.
Taking a concealer, I'm going to clean up my brows using a small, precise brush.
Now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape.
Taking a small dense brush and a sponge, I'm going to blend the concealer seamlessly.
I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know.
Now I'm going to use a pencil for my right eyebrows and just repeat the process of what I did on my left brows. So just enjoy the music. Kilay is life, bawal ang boxed eyebrows.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, bye! See you on the next one!